tune.
My dog them now shake like China vehicle. Man straight, no watch you back yet. Pum pum, no know not a thing but my face.
Boom! What's good YouTube? It's about Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction boss, and I'm back in effect with another video for you guys. Now we're here with Intence, authentic, official blood clot video. Intence posts every single week, like he's a bomber YouTuber that posts once or twice or 3 times a week. Right now we have a song where him called authentic, official video. People like up the video. Like out the blood clot video right now. Run tune Tyreek, when it was 40 today. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. I try 30,000 subscribers before the year ends. We forgot to tell them that, you know. But you're supposed to know that already, you know. Run tune!
Go ahead. Leave by my name without a reason.
Yeah.
Nobody make me feel away for free.
Go on the pause. What the man start on the second say?
Go ahead.
Go ahead! Go ahead! That's a bad man. Go ahead! The one on the bomb back, go. Right, go on.
By my name without a reason.
Yeah.
Nobody make me feel away for free.
Yeah.
Some man better know I kill people. No, no,
no. It's time I come board out a say, yo, leave for the man name without no reason. You know me, I try to sing the song I can't sing. But yo, know your side. Know yourself. Run tune!
My dog them now shake like China vehicle. Man straight, no watch you back yet. Pum pum, no know not a thing but my face.
You hear the one buckler man say? And you hear the man say, who man them? You come tell him story or not? And the man straight. The man make sure say no for say that kind of like, oh, I Intence is in a youth. The man now make them say come see that and come in a video. I hear that. I know some people get a love chat and then we get hype. And then man say they think they know nothing about him face. Cheat. Go on!
Where the fuck them at the bait, but wait, just a little fame. The amount of time them shit for me name. Yo, Spain tone, Babylon, pan the lane.
Who him a throw mud pan, people? Who him a throw mud pan? Who him a throw mud pan? Me come to Intence and people. Right? I watch your video too. Go on!
No fuck round the link, load the chain. Them feel like a TV alone, I can't grain. I racing out the deck alone, I speed. I hear span years, me I go rain.
Hold on, you hear lyrics? When you hear the play words, you feel like a TV alone upgrade. Don't mess with the link and the chain. Go on!
Have couple dog, man know them authentic. Now make a call for my dog, them chip. I know the with on a carpentry. Nail them.
Bumbleclad! I have couple dog very authentic. Just like the last time I put out that song through the gate. Everything shine. Post it. Oh, some shine, but they say everything that song is shine. Yes, I want to name authentic, so take it with tick. And tree. The dog say, yo, hey, the man deal with you. Not carpent bumbleclad tree. Not carpentry. Una meds and sweat. Blood clot. Go on.
Them up them hammer, yeah, and now kelp it. Yeah, and since them feel them last, I want them name for call. Yeah. And if we were the hype there, them dead.
Since you don't feel the last, I don't want the name for call. Dog, Intence, what you deal with them, so? But yeah, and I crowd them face so Intence. But go on, we make the song, we make the video, I see the lyrics them as you can't see. Go on.
Janelle, I go call them name, 7 o'clock. When you no mention my name, just state for a
period. No, what call them names at 7 o'clock? Prime time news. Blood clot, how shot later there? Me I sweat, hold on the pause. Me I sweat hard. At the 4th video this man I do in a row, right? So that's why I do. Don't know reaction marathon. You don't know it's chop, you know. Reaction mara blood clot. I can post 4 of them one day, but I'm not do it again. We change. Right, June!
You back yet? No. Pum pum, no know not a thing but my face. Yeah. Fuck them at the bait, but wait, just a little fame. The amount of time them shit for me name. You speak.
If you don't shit on the bomb buckle belt, man, but we don't want you to chorus again. Run tune. Stop shit on people name for fame. Stop shit on people name for fame. Don't do it. Only me alone for do it. If you come person say a song a trash, I'm gonna say it a trash if it's a trash. You don't know me, chap? Me I don't do them thing there. And when I think about she paying for fame, me I try motivate her else to make a better music. Me I sweat some blood clot hard, man. No, sir. No, sir. What time? Come on, no, man. It's a blood clot have to come on. Yeah. Alright. At 2 o'clock? Oh, 1:10. Alright, run tune!
Here's me, I go rain. Leave by my name without a reason. No matter make me feel my Glock belly full up for you. A dirty style you pick up, you no ready, you out. Oh, yes, man. Man, straight, no watch you back.
You hear that? Man call him waste man. Oh, but now I'm sorry about buckler lyrics when I slang right as a tone. Because I don't want to miss nothing. I want to make sure I get the right thing. But I just don't want you to cross over and over. Maybe they're going to be too long and drawn out. You know, it's chat already. And we love chat over as a tone. Go on.
Pum pum, no know not a thing.
Both in face.
With the fuck them at the bait. But wait, just for little fame. The mount of the deck alone a spade. I years by years, me I go rain. Authentic. Where the hype there? Them dead the channel name you. Spain tone, Babylon, Pandalane. No fuck round the link, load the chain. Them
That was quick. That was super quick. This should run 5 minutes to 4 minutes. Anyway, see, big up for yourself. As I'm checking out the video, you understand me? I try to say, you just try with a little different vibes. You know, say if some big batty girl there in the video and some little dancing thing or something special there go on night. You understand? But it's a regular video. You must sing him song and about him little clip for them friends them and with some weed and thing. Yeah. You just say some girl there and they know so the reaction will be super long and super lit. You don't know a chat, but thanks for checking out the video as usual. It's been a boy Tyrekevlogs. Peace out.